Hello.
Right.
A nice little thing.
Yeah, October 1931.
Wow. Did you restore it?
Yeah, rebuilt everything.
The little side valve.
Yeah, 750 side valve, and it's water. It's alright.
Very good. The nice little dashes and that on it. Lovely. The SU's not standard though, is it?
No.
No.
No, they had Zeniths on, and
Yeah.
they are a nightmare. They were alright when they were new,
Yeah.
but they're not alright anymore. So.
You get the tyres and that all right for it?
Yeah, just got a new set of tyres. So the one I built it, I just built it on some old Avons that I had around me. But
Yeah.
74 quid for that tyre.
That's not bad, is it?
No, 370 quid delivered. 4 tyres.
Lovely. Yeah.
Sort of outlasted me, and they'll be there for it.
Yeah. Yeah, such a little car.
That's a bit on the front there, too, isn't it? The wings.